Hello everyone, finally the wait is over and we have Ease 5 software now. So let's explore this. I was waiting for this for a long period of time. Now I got this Ease 5. So if you look at this interface, it is very friendly, user friendly. Okay. We have very easy options as compared to Ease 4. So we have other options here. Okay, so it is very easy to use, very easy to place the loudspeakers, very easy to place the audience areas, the listener seats, very easy to use the tools, very easy calculations. Okay, it has very friendly interface. Okay, and easy to adjust views. So I must suggest that every academicians, researcher, or any other person like the firms, they must use this software because it is very friendly software for acoustic calculations. Okay, so for me, it's a thumbs up. It's a very good software, and for more details, you can connect with me if you need any help. Thank you. Bye.